What's up, Seal? What's happening, my boy? How are you? My boy? What's going on? How you doing today, bro? Good, man. I'm good. Same old, you know me. No trace today for me on gold. No trades, no trades. Oh, I'm going invisible. Yeah, very interesting day with what's up, Laser Man? Laser Crypto Man. Very interesting day with the move during Asian session, and then price literally just consolidating from there on out. Price action has been choppy. Yeah, it's been very choppy. There's literally been no setups whatsoever. Why? Let me try and fix this. About that. It's better. I'm not too sure yet, Seal. I'm gonna see what happens, bro. I'm gonna see what happens. It seems to be fine. How's the quality on TikTok and on YouTube? Is the quality okay? Oh, Black Friday sales. Black Friday TradingView sales. YouTube is good. Let me check the. I did actually lower the quality on YouTube slightly. For that reason, but yeah, we'll see. You just got 70% off. Nice, bro. Let me see this quality. Yeah, it seems to be okay. 70% off. Let me have a look at this. Let me have a look at this. 70% off. Black Friday sale up to 70% off. As soon as I click on it. Premium. $217 for 13 months for premium. What? So do they only do like a long-term deal? Yeah. Is it like for the yearly? Annually? $217 US for the year. Not bad. $1 a day. What's up, Jasper? Interesting. Oh, we're getting a little bit of movement here on gold. Little bit of movement. We've had the bullish, previous 4-hour bullish candle, which has now, the current 4-hour candle has now created a beautiful bottom wick and is now driving past previous 4-hour highs. We've got a liquidity grab here on the 1-hour time frame. So this could be potentially setting up for some buys here. Look at that liquidity grab right there. 1-hour liquidity grab, boom, flip back bullish. We've got 2 minutes until this 1-hour closure, where we could look for potential buys. Look at that liquidity grab right there. Look at this. This is the 5-minute time frame for that 1-hour low liquidity grab. You can see that right there. Spike out, bullish, bearish, bullish. Boom, price absolutely flies from that hourly liquidity grab. It's 80 pips so far. Using green screen and red should be a crime. What do you mean? What's happening? Not much, bro. How are you? Appreciate the follows, guys. Thank you very much. Over on TikTok. Yeah, believe me, Seal. I've tried, bro. I've tried. I have tried, bro. What platform am I using? This is TradingView behind me. I'm gonna get someone to code it for me, Seal. I'm gonna get somebody to code an EA. I'm just gonna do it. Is there news today? Now there shouldn't be any like major news today. Break and tap incoming. From what? Break and tap. From the 1-hour time frame. Potentially, I mean, it has to come down 30 or something pips. Gonna mark out that hourly high. What I would like to see now is a bit of a pullback. a pullback for this 1-hour candle to create a bottom wick, and then I would like to see price come up here and start breaking above this level to continue bullish. But it's opened up straight away and it's already broke the highs, hourly highs, by 10 plus pips. So I'm not interested in anything until this hourly candle flips bearish, because there's a high probability now this 5-minute candle can push up, but eventually we're going to come back into this area. So I want to see the pullback first, and then I'll be looking to take advantage of those buys, those continuation buys above this level. Yeah, I know, and they also have to be trusted, Seal. They also have to be trusted. They might leak. Yeah, exactly. That's my biggest worry. Auntie J, appreciate the follow. You gonna hold? I'm in on a buy from early. Nice, bro. I haven't had no positions today on gold. Usually I get positions on a Monday most frequently. Like most of my trades come on a Monday or a Tuesday. On gold, anyway. I need to start biting my nails. It's just a habit. I can't help it. Straight back to it. Hitting the punch bag. I was gonna tell you, but I'm not your mom yet. Honestly, bro, it pisses so many people off in the chats when I start biting my nails, bro. People aren't happy. So you can say whatever you want, man. But it's not gonna stop me from biting. So hoping this 1 hour candle would form a bottom week first before. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for, Laser. That is exactly what I was looking for. So now price is already pushed up. There's a good chance now that we're going to see price come back down eventually within the next hour to create that bottom wick. So the fact that it's pushed up first, this is really the move that you want to be in, right? You want to be in this move, but you want to be in that move once price has created a bottom wick in order for price to continue, because that's going to give you more confidence that it's created a bottom wick on the hourly and we can start pushing and continuing bullish. But now you know that there's a potential that this can happen. If you jump in a trade here, you know the hourly hasn't created a bottom wick yet, and there's a very good chance that this candle or a candle after that can flip bearish to drive down and create that bottom wick, and you're going to be sitting in drawdown. Or if it starts driving all the way back down here, you're potentially going to have a losing trade. So this is why it's important to understand price action and understand that candles, no matter the time frame, can, you know, they don't have to create top and bottom wicks, but you're going to be a lot more comfortable in a trade if you allow these candles to create top and bottom wicks first before you then enter your trade. And just that one simple rule, I suppose you could call it, is what enables me to have less losing trades, right? You see, you guys know I'm very picky with my trades. I can sit here all day and I'm very patient on the setup that I want to see, and I'm able to avoid a lot of losses because I understand how candles form, and I wait for when I think a candle has formed correctly, and then I look to get in on that candle in the direction that I'm looking to trade, right? Rather than trading any candle that has no top or bottom wick, it hasn't pulled back yet, it hasn't tapped into any key levels, etc. So this is how you can avoid, you know, those unnecessary losses, and enable yourself then to get into trades which push into profit more a lot quicker, and then move stops to break even, right? And manage your risk rather than entering a trade in here with the 1 hour candle having no bottom wick, risking price flipping back bearish on you, sitting through drawdown, then, you know, waiting to see if price comes out of drawdown, and then you're like, you know, whatever. But what strategy do I trade? I trade CPAC, Cody's price action concepts. It's price action, key levels, but key levels based on key time frames, right? Price action, key time frames. So we're talking about candle wick highs, candle wick lows, body highs, body lows, I'm not talking about just plotting a support and a resistance on the chart based on order blocks or based on like a resistance that you can potentially see on the chart. We're just talking strictly wicks and bodies. And yeah, just price action, man. Yeah, I just focus on candles. That's it. My whole strategy is literally based on candles. No, I was talking about the 1 hour creating a bottom wick MBs, because if you have a look on the 1 hour time frame, we've just had an hourly candle closure and open, right? This is our current 1 hour candle. It hasn't created a bottom wick yet. You see this? So the fact that it's driving bullish, even though it has drove bullish and continue bullish, which is what I was anticipating and what I was looking to trade, is a bullish move. I'm not confident entering this because there's, you know, at any moment now it can potentially flip back bearish and come down, create this bottom wick before it continues bullish. Because you can see coming all the way up here, right? All these hourly candles has a bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick, right? All these bullish candles and bearish candles have top and bottom wicks, and it's very likely that price is going to form that top or bottom wick. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's, you know, that's a different kind of subject to talk about. But these are the things that I like to anticipate and look for before I enter a trade. If I'm looking for price to continue bullish, which I am, I want to see this hourly candle come down, create a bottom wick, and then start driving up, and then I'll look to get into those buys, because at that point then the hourly candle has created that bottom wick, and once it starts breaking the previous highs, there's a very good chance and a high probability that you can get a nice push to the upside there based on the pullback of the hourly and the continuation break of previous highs, just like has happened over here, right? Bottom wick formed, or right here, bottom wick formed, price continues bullish, breaking previous highs. Bottom wick formed, price continues bullish, breaking previous highs. Bottom wick formed, price continues bullish, breaking previous highs. Bottom wick formed, liquidity grabbed, price pushes back bullish, continues bullish, breaking previous highs. So that is just what I'm expecting. This is normal. This is very basic normal price action patterns, right? This is what you should look for in all your candles. And so that is all that I was looking for here, is price to come down, create a bottom wick, and then flip bullish and start driving bullish, breaking previous highs, and look, you know, looking to try and capture a little bit of that move right there. But obviously now the hourly candle is opened. You can see the first 5 minute candle here has broke straight away those previous highs, rejected, come back down. Now we're pushing again. So it's kind of not the cleanest of price action, and not the kind of price action that I want to be involved in, to be honest. Seal, I've actually spoke to some people about it. I spoke to a guy. I spoke to a guy who codes EAs, and I said, you know, how can I trust you with this, you know, with this strategy and blah blah blah, and with the code. And I said, I asked him if he will sign a contract, you know, stating that he's saying, I don't give out the code anyway. I don't trade or leak my clients' codes or strategies, whatever. That's part of my what's the word I'm looking for? Policy, right? But again, like, you know, I asked him to sign a contract. He said no. So I was like, oh, okay. And then it kind of got left at that. What currency is this? This XAUUSD. This is gold. I'm just so fresh, so clean. What's up, Jester? What's up, Travel Treasures? How's it going, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. I know some of you guys, Cheska, obviously you're in Discord, but don't see you in the YouTube channel that much. So welcome. Would you recommend buying the? I think they have a black. Yeah, they do have a Black Friday sale, 70% off. Yeah, I would 100%. I think it's a good deal if you plan on continuing to use TradingView and you're happy with the product. Yeah, I think it's a good deal. Gold rise because of Ukraine. Yeah, exactly. A Scarface. Apparently, well, you know, theoretically, right? When there's things, when there's events in the world such as wars, especially with gold as well, with the US dollar, when like presidential elections, things like this affects gold heavily, right? And that's why we're seeing gold push so strongly to the upside recently over the last couple of years, and we've seen all-time highs, and we're seeing it again recently, is because of the events happening around the world, especially in Russia and Ukraine. Do I use C-Trader? No, I don't. Lovely movement. Yeah. What do I think about TMTU? I'm not sure what that is. What's TMTU? Lorenzo. Haha, yeah, man. Appreciate the follows, guys. Probably new all-time highs. I mean, yeah, new all-time highs are definitely not far away at all. Like, they're right here, right? Current all-time highs right here, 2.8. Almost on the dot, 2.8. 2.790. We're not far from that at all. So yeah, we could see it depending on the developments, you know, in Russia and Ukraine, and the more what's going on. The more we head into Christmas and the New Year, and then we get Donald Trump coming into office, we'll see what happens there. But I mean, you saw when Donald Trump got elected, gold sold off quite heavily, right? Because Donald Trump really is seen as a positive for the US economy, right? Based on data when he was previously in office, the economy was quite strong, right? He's a businessman, so he knows what he's doing in that aspect. So that's why you saw gold sell off when Trump got elected. So maybe when he eventually gets sworn in and he's back in office and he's back running things, you might see gold over the next few years flip bearish, you know. Depending on what happens around the world, especially in Russia and Ukraine, right, and the developments there, and in Israel and Palestine. I don't want to. You know what? Every time I say these kind of words like Ukraine, Russia, Israel, Palestine, I swear the live streams get capped. They get capped, man. They start censoring me. As soon as you mention those words, man. What's my favorite setup? Breakouts. The V5 breakout is my favorite setup. V5 breakout from either the 15 minute, the 30 minute, or the hourly. How long do you think we could hit 2688? 2688. Definitely, yeah, for sure. If like, in what time frame? You mean like soon? Or you mean like by today, by this week? I mean, it's not far away at all. It's 40 or so pips. So it definitely can hit 2688 for sure. But it depends here. Like, I mean, there's quite a bit of volume coming in. In fact, quite a nice move here. 2688 is right here. Not far off at all. Depends if we want to pull back here before we continue bullish, but we're getting a nice spike coming at the moment. Let me just have a look quickly at the 12-hour time frame. Previous 12-hour candles up there. We got tapping on this. We're coming to this resistance right here, which is also a break of structure. So that's why we'll come back to retest this level. Currently tapping into that level right now. As you can see, where price is currently bouncing. If it hit 2688, I'm going to be funded for the first time. All right, let's go. Everybody get into your MT5 or MT4 right now and start pushing gold to the upside. I was going to say something else then, but then I was like, wait, I can't say that. TikTok will ban me if they hear me say that shit. That's fucking, it's so stupid, man. I might just stop streaming on TikTok. What's called? This isn't a coin. This is a commodity. This is gold. XAUUSD. Am I long? I was looking for a buy position above this area. I was anticipating price to continue bullish above here, which it did. But I was looking for a slight pullback first before we seen that move to the upside. But it just started pushing without that pullback, so there was no entry for me. But what do you guys think? Would all you guys from TikTok come over to the YouTube channel if I just started streaming on YouTube? Because I feel like I can't do a lot of shit because I stream on TikTok as well. I can't be entering really any trades. I can't say certain things, like, you know, TikTok are very strict on that, and I don't want this account to get banned. I've managed to rack up like what 17,500 followers on TikTok. It's a decent account, you know. I don't want it to get banned. Say stuff like what? Yeah, TikTok is way more engaging, right? And like I feel like on YouTube it would be a very boring stream because people are not very talkative on YouTube as much as they are on TikTok. So, but you can't. I mean, for example, Sam, you see on the TikTok right now, I'm not able to show any numbers on the chart, right? You can see there's no numbers here on the right hand side, whereas on YouTube, if you come over to YouTube, you can see all the numbers, all the levels. I'm not allowed to show any positions on the chart because TikTok will ban you for it if they see it. I'm not allowed to, you know, talk about entering certain positions or, you know, giving financial advice, things like that, which this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. But yeah, Sam, a lot of people are getting banned. I get endless amounts of people messaging me on TikTok who are streaming, and they say, how are you still live streaming? I've been banned like 5 times. I can't, you know, all my accounts are getting banned. Every time I try and go live and live stream, blah, blah, I'm getting banned, blah, blah. How are you not getting banned? Like, people are asking me this all the time. And I did actually get banned it was quite a while ago now, actually, like 5 or 6 months ago, maybe. I got banned for like 7 days or something. And you get a strike on your account. So I don't know, man. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to lose this account. It's took me a long time to build it up. Appreciate the follow, Scarface. You gotta have backup accounts, I know. But even still, that's just annoying, you know? Look, I want to keep one account. I want to keep one main account. Have all my content on there, stream from there. But I might... I don't know, like TikTok is just so good for, yeah, the engagement, the interaction. Like if I didn't live stream to TikTok, I don't know, man, it's... I think the streams will be quite, I don't want to say boring, but slow. They'd be slow. TikTok brings engagement, it brings followers, it brings people liking your videos and commenting, and you know, I've been able to grow my YouTube channel through TikTok, because while I stream on TikTok, you know, I say I'm live on YouTube, so then they come over to YouTube and they subscribe, and you know, it's just, TikTok is good for just building your overall brand and getting out there. And but they're very strict, so it kind of sucks because I'm very limited on what I can do on these live streams, you know. 2676, he was on 2676. Oh, nice. Okay, down here. So you're about 2676. You're about 90 pips in profit right now. It's not bad. Stop biting your nails. But yeah, man. What do you guys think of the what do you guys think of the green screen, the effect? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Does it look good quality? Or can you tell like it's, there's no like blurry bits or anything, right? It's, yeah, it's crisp. That's good. But if you don't have the correct lighting with green screen, you get all like fuzzy around, like you like the outlines, and your head goes all fuzzy. That's good. I've had to buy these like crazy LED lights that like, it's like looking at it, or it's blinding me, like I'm squinting. But you need that shit to go on the green screen to make it work properly. Because if I turn it off, green screen. Oh man. You still see, oh no, that's just the date. It's like price points, price numbers. Gold on fire, yeah, gold's going crazy right now. RBM, appreciate the follow. Yeah, D, I thought you know, bro. I thought you knew. We was having a little giggle about it, but it's just the green screen, bro. Oh, my bad, bro. I thought, because I literally said it in the chat. I was talking about it before, like the green screen and like the editing. My bad, bro. That's my bad. Yeah, you just go like this, look. You get what's this? What's this one? Image? This one? Oh yeah, there we go. See? You go like this, and then you bring it down there like that, or like you go like that, and then you go like this. See, and like, oh guys, look at my new office, look at my new view, look at this view, man. Now you can see it's a little bit fuzzy here. I'd have to edit it a little bit, but just look out the window. I got you. Well, at least the quality looks good, you know. If you thought it was legit, at least you know, that's what I'm going for. I want it to look legit. I don't want it to look tacky, you know. There we go. There's the reaction to that level. That's the retest. That's the retest of the breakup structure 12-hour level, guys. That's the reaction you're seeing right now, right here at this level, which is 2684495. It's the breakup structure 12-hour level. Very key level. It's amazing. Thank you, bro. Glad it looks good. What's my plan for gold? My plan on gold as of this stream, for this stream, I was looking for these buys right here above this level. But I was waiting for the pullback. I wanted to see this hourly candle open up, pull back a little bit, you know, preferably into this level, but you know, I would have at least liked to see a bit of a pullback before it continued bullish. And I was looking for buys above this level, but price just pushed for the hourly without creating a bottom wick, and made that move. So opinion on XRP and XLM. Actually, two coins that I used to invest in myself. Mostly XRP. I think XRP. I can't really say that because I'm on TikTok, but I think it's a great coin. I can say that, right? I like the idea of XRP. I like its use case. I like that it has, you know, it's being adopted and potentially replacing Swift as the, you know, main payment system. It's very quick. You can transfer millions within seconds. So I think XRP has a great future. There was having some problems with some. I don't know, that was in court quite a bit. I can't remember exactly what it was for, but I think they won that case. I know my the crypto site that I used stopped giving the option to buy XRP for a while, but I think it's come back now. So I think they're back. I think they're good. I know that it has been going up quite a lot at the moment, as well as Bitcoin and a lot of other crypto. But yeah, I think crypto's XRP is a decent coin. But that's about as much as I can say on that, fortunately, being on TikTok. They won it because the securities, yeah. I know for sure they did win eventually. It took a very long time. Because I was heavily invested in it myself. So I was kind of following along with the proceedings with that. But yeah, made a decent amount of money off XRP actually back in the day. But I don't hold any XRP or any other crypto anymore. If I add a little bit more color. Is that better? Too bright. It's too white, that other light. What area am I scouting? So I'm waiting to see how price reacts around this level. You can see we've had a little bit of a reaction here now, and now it's obviously pushing again. It's continuing bullish. So this is a key level in the market. I'm waiting to see how it reacts. But to be honest with you, at this point, you know, for London session, this is the move right here, okay? You can see consolidation up until that point. Pre-London, London session, consolidation. Then we have the move, right? So this is really the move that you want to be in. If you're not in this move from down in these areas, from here or from here, or, you know, from down here, wherever you are. But if you're not in this move, it's best to just stay out of this point until New York session, right? This is the move for London session. Wait now, you know, we've got a little while till New York session. Wait to see what happens, whether we pull back, whether we continue, whether we consolidate, whatever happens. Wait for New York session, and then look to capture the move for New York session based on that setup, whatever that may be. How's it going, Cody? Huge volume for a Monday? Yeah, it's been good, man. Crazy bearish move during Asian session. Only gold? Yeah, only looking at gold at the moment. Let's see if we can reach 2688 for Scarface. Yeah, Scarface, so we can get funded. Looks like you're going to get there, my guy. I've been thinking about doing a funded challenge lately, just for a bit of fun, but I don't know, man. What do you guys think? I don't think I'll be any good at doing funded accounts, truly. I'm not good with rules, and I just like to trade freely. How's your indicator going? Made 100k. It's going good. It's going very good, actually. The last couple weeks, I mean, if you speak to anybody in the Discord, like the last couple weeks on with V5 has been insane. Just setup after setup, signal after signal. Yeah, it's been great. It's been great. And it's only getting better, you know. We're still improving it. It's gonna keep improving over time. V6 eventually. I'll start working on V6 eventually. I got a lot on my plate at the moment, but I do plan on the continued, you know, updates and upgrading with V5 with the Algo, and then eventually as well, I'll be transferring that code or that information into an EA, so then you can attach it straight to your MetaTrader, straight to your account, and it will trade automatically those setups. Yeah, man, there's a lot to do. 2025 is going to be a great year. There's a lot to do. We're slowly getting through it. It's a bit difficult, you know, like when you have a family and you have young kids, they require so much attention, and I want to give them the attention, you know. I don't want to be a dad that's just working constantly and, you know, never have any time for my children. That is the reason why I do this. That is the reason why I trade, and I wanted to get into trading in the first place, so that I could have more time with the fam. So, you know, I'm finding a balance. I'm trying to balance work life and family life, you know, like, because it's easy for me to just trade and make money, right? And then everything else after that, like the indicator and the business, you know, things like that, it's very easy to be pushed back, if you will, right? But I'm just you know, just getting the balance. I'm still trying to find the balance with everything, with life. You'd be interested in the EA? I know a lot of people are interested in the EA. It's just finding somebody to code it who I can trust. What are we expecting on gold? I was expecting and anticipating a bullish move. It did happen, but I was looking for entries. I wanted price. I wanted this. This is the hourly candle closure and open right here. I wanted price to pull back a little bit here, create an hourly bottom wick, hourly candle bottom wick to continue bullish, but it literally hasn't yet. It still has no bottom wick, and it's just pushed bullish, and it's still pushing bullish. So I was anticipating this bullish move. I just wanted to see a pullback here, and then I'll look to get in. So, you know, I suppose you could say a missed opportunity, but it wasn't really a missed opportunity because the setup didn't really present itself the way that I wanted it to. So now we move on. We wait for New York session, and we wait for the next setup. And we look to see if we can get in there. And if not, then we come back tomorrow. Sean Smith, appreciate the follow. I just realized I'm on the Wi-Fi. Not even connected through the Ethernet cable. I'm surprised the stream signal has been good. Yeah, that's the difficult part. Difficult part, Pepe, is trying to balance it all. Because like I said, I have, you know, for me to trade most of the time, I need an hour, right? I need an hour, and I'll pretty much get my setup. I'll make my money or not, you know. And usually within the first like hour of the trading window, I've made my money and I'm done, right? So that's, I need like an hour, potentially 2 hours a day of work time where I can trade, make my money, and then the rest of it, you know, spend with family, have family time, spend with my daughter, look after her, whatever, right? As well as other things like work out, run, things around the house, whatever, right? And then obviously extended family time with my parents and my nephews and nieces and my sister. So then it's finding that balance then to fit the other side of trading, which is the business side of trading, which is like the indicator and the community and things like that. Finding that time to fit that in, create content for YouTube, create content for Instagram, TikTok, live stream, you know, like that is the part that I'm struggling with, is trying to balance all of that. Well, I'm not struggling with, like, I'm doing it, I've been doing it for a long time, but it requires a lot of discipline, right? With my time, I have to have like almost perfect time management all the time. I can't have a half an hour or an hour to just sit there on the couch, you know, and just kind of relax, because that time is needed somewhere else. But it's good. It's the life that we want, you know, this is the life that we dreamt of. So now I'm living it, you know, you just got to keep pushing. Keep working, keep grinding. There's that saying that I saw the other day. You can't, what was it? You can't complain about too much. You can't complain about having too much on your plate when the goal was to eat, right? Love that saying. This weekend, on Sunday, I'm running a, I'm doing like a, not a marathon, but it's a charity event. So I'm running, I think it's like 5Ks this weekend. So I've been training a little bit for that. Doing a lot of running recently. Trying to work my way up to 10K. 10 kilometers. Yo, what was his name? What was Scarface? That's it, bro. Are you a funded trader? Are you a funded trader now, bro? Is he in the chat anymore? I don't think he's in the chat. Someone in the chat, in the TikTok chat earlier said, if gold gets to if gold hits 2688, then I'll be a funded trader. So there we go. That's 2688. That must mean he's now a funded trader for the first time. So congratulations to him. You know what? I take my hat off to anybody who can do a funded challenge, man. Personally, I don't think I could do it. I've never done one, but I don't think I could do it. Too many rules. $50-minute signal gold. Shame I put in wrong lot size on first trade, but all counts. We got somebody who took a gold 15-minute buy signal. Have a look. A 15-minute buy signal. It would be right here. Right? The buy signal would be right here. Are you ready? There we go. Buy signal. From the V5 Algo. What is that? 99 pips so far. 99 pips profit. Dimple, Sylvia, and Stoley. Appreciate the follows, guys. Appreciate the follows, guys. That's a beautiful 15-minute signal right there. Ahmed, appreciate the follow. This light is blinding me, man. If I go like this, you guys see that light? It's big, right? It's like this big. Yeah, it's like this big, and it's fucking bright, man. I just feel like I'm squinting all the time. You think gold to 95? Yeah, there's a good chance. There's a good chance. Are you expecting a pullback? At this point, I don't really care. I was anticipating a pullback here. I wanted price to pull back here, but now I still think we can see a price come back down into these areas for sure. But whether that's going to be anytime soon, I don't know now. Because again, basically the reason that I anticipated these buys is because obviously you had this huge sell-off here during Asian session, and then you can, I mean, you're not always going to anticipate a pullback, but you can anticipate that once this candle, this 4-hour candle closes bullish, that's going to give a good indication that you could see that pullback, then that retracement to correct this move right here. Okay, so once this 4-hour candle closed bullish, you can see that the next 4-hour candle opened up. It created a bottom wick, which is what we was looking for on the 1-hour time frame, and then started to push bullish and break previous 4-hour highs. And you also got a liquidity grab there from the hourly time frame. Right, here's your liquidity grab right here. Right, there's the spike out of those 1 hourly bullish lows. That's your liquidity grab. Price driving, closing above that previous 4-hour high. And then I was anticipating this hourly candle then to continue bullish, which it did. But what I wanted to see was a bottom wick similar to any of these hourly bullish candles right here before it pushes bullish. But it didn't do that, right? It just spiked straight up. So, yo, Jess, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. We love a YouTube sub, man. We're trying to grow the YouTube channel. So anyone on TikTok, if you want to come and sub to the YouTube, I very much appreciate it. So yeah, that's why I was anticipating those buys, just based on the correction of this move, the 4-hour bullish candle, the grab of the liquidity grab here from the hourly with the closure bullish above previous 4-hour highs, anticipating then price to come and retest this 12-hour break of structure level. And why this is a 12-hour break of structure level is because this is the 12-hour time frame, of course. And since down here, right, since Wednesday of last week, price has been creating this strong bullish uptrend, creating higher lows and higher highs, right? So what happened this morning is we broke those lows. So that's breaking this bullish structure coming up, this strong 12-hour bullish structure, right? So that is your break of structure level, that 12-hour low right there, closed below it. So you know it's not a liquidity grab because this 12-hour candle closed bearish, and it also closed below that level. So it's not a liquidity grab, it's a break of structure. And so that's why I was anticipating price to come and retest this level, which of course it's closed above now, it's tapping into it, but the hourly obviously hasn't closed yet. It's closed in 10 minutes. So that's what I was anticipating those buys today, just based on just very simple price action like that. Candle closures, candle highs, body highs, you know, break of structure levels, and price correcting this move during Asian session before potentially continuing bearish for New York. But that was the reasoning behind me looking for buys today. I didn't get that entry, but at least that's the reasoning behind it. That was my trading plan to answer ODC's question in the TikTok channel. El Falco and Mutt, appreciate the follows. No worries, Bethel. Ahmad and the Peloglad, appreciate the follows. But yeah, so that's that opportunity has now gone. That's the move right there. That's the move we was anticipating. That's the move we wanted to be in. The move has happened. We didn't get in it. So now we sit back and we wait for New York session, because that's the move for Asian session. This was the move right here for London session. So now we need to await the move for New York session. Gold is behaving today, yeah. I mean, you know, it's shit. It's what we want. We definitely want. We love to see gold moving like this. I would say 7 times out of 10, I would grab a position here normally. Because normally, if you take a look at the chart, for most, 80% of the candles, you're going to see tops and bottom wicks. So we're looking to be in that 80%, right? We're not looking to be in the 20% that don't have top or bottom wicks. I don't care about that. I want to be in the 80% that have top and bottom wicks, or at least a bottom wick first before it flips bullish to create that top wick. So I would say like 7 to 8 out of 10 times, I'm going to be in a buy position here. I'm gonna get that entry. Just this time, unfortunately, didn't happen. Jack Danes, appreciate the follow. Your daddy SA, appreciate the follow. Josh, appreciate the follow. What's up, Graffiti? What's happening, man? What's happening? But guys, I was talking today to somebody about, the potential for people out there, right? People who are into trading, okay? You guys, everyone in the chat right now. If you look at V5 from a different perspective, right? And let's say you use V5 to trade yourself, your personal account, right? The Algo, right? This is what is giving, as you can see right here, this buy signal, right? You can see this buy signal right here. V5 Algo gives these signals on the chart in, live in real time on gold, on forex, on crypto, on whatever you want, right? Now, if you think about how you guys can take advantage of this by trading it, not only trading it, but think about it from a business perspective, right? Now, you don't need to tell me what you want to do with this, with my product, but if you wanted to take V5 and use the signals and the setup it gives and set up your own side hustle, right? For a signal service, right? People love signals. People ask me for signals all the time, right? But it's not really something I do give signals, but more so my swing signals. It's less stressful. I have to monitor so many things all the time. But if you're someone out there who wants to set up a side hustle and you're good at marketing, you're good on social media, with advertisements, and you want to try and make like a side hustle, monthly reoccurring revenue, you can take V5, you can load it onto your charts, you can get gold signals, whatever signals you want, set up a signals service and start selling a signal service, right? Making a side hustle, right? It's a good idea. I don't know how I haven't thought about this up until this point. So you can literally use my product as your own product and make your own side hustle, recurring revenue. You know what I'm saying? What do you guys think about that? Mbongs, Kishen, Martia, appreciate the follows, man. John, appreciate the follow. I am him, appreciate the follow. Well, everyone's going crazy with these meme coins at the moment. Like, what is happening with that? I'm seeing that shit all over my social media, man. What's the deal? Bro, can we chat later on? I followed. Chat about what, BTB? But yeah, man. Of course, we can chat whenever, bro. Just send me a message. Sorry, bro. Can't fit all in comments. Oh, okay. Just send me a DM then if you want. Yuval, what's up, Yuval? Oh. Guys, is the music too loud? Is it interfering with the mic? I feel like it's interfering with the mic. My bad. Minions, appreciate the follow. How much of V5 Algo? There's a few different options, man. But right now you can get what, 70 something percent off, 70% discount. Well, not right now. It's one of the options will give you a 71% discount. It's best to just go have a look, man. And yeah, guys, if you wanna join the free Telegram channel, if you wanna the YouTube channel, my Instagram, website, everything is in the link. If you're on YouTube, it's down below. If you're on TikTok, it's in my profile. Join the free Telegram. It's all there. Rizmas, Dub, Alex De Vries, appreciate the follow. Movie Camera, appreciate the follow. De Vries. That's is that Dutch? That's a Dutch name, yeah? Or am I tripping? Green, appreciate the follow. Yeah, I mean gold, it's coming. What we got? We got the new hourly. Two hourly closed above. 4 hourly obviously is tapping in. Hasn't closed above yet. Bam, bam. When the character is that, it's the V5 Algo. V5 Algo Pro, man. V5 Algo Pro. I actually need to change the name of that. Hey bro, a long time since I've been on here. I joined you and paid for something ages ago, but never downloaded it. My bad. Oh, what did you get? You mean on TikTok or what? Matrix. Anything that you purchase, man, is all gonna be on the website. What? But I've been well, man. I've been well. I've been good, bro. I think I actually remember you now. I remember I remember seeing your profile picture. What's up, Lucky? What's up, Albert? Appreciate the follow. Would you mind tell us the indicator? It's V5 Algo Pro. Said V5 Algo Pro. I opened the Discord today, but anything to do with the Algo, I had to join. I probably. What was your name? Do you remember your name on what? Your username? I can look you up and see exactly what it is that you have access to or don't. You may have just got a monthly subscription or something. Trend still bullish, yeah. I mean, of course, trend's still bullish. We've broken out of this consolidation. If you're looking overall, I mean, short-term trend obviously is bullish for today. If we're talking strictly today, Asian session until now. If you look overall, you can see this sell-off, huge sell-off that happened during Asian session. Well, not obviously, you know, as I'm talking about bullish most recently, breaking out of this consolidation. But if you look at this move down here that happened during Asian session and kind of broke this kind of bullish structure, you could potentially say you've come down, created a low, creating a potential lower high to then continue bearish. But if we have a look at the 12-hour time frame, previous 12-hour candle closed bearish, right? Engulfing previous candle, breaking structure. So you could say, you know, there is argument there for this current 12-hour candle is just creating a top wick before it potentially flips bearish and starts driving down, breaking previous 12-hour lows. Let's see what happens. But I think short term, as of right now, yeah, you know, you're seeing this bullish push, bullish momentum, break of, you know, this kind of consolidation here that was happening during Asian early New York session, early London session. So yeah, I would say currently we broke out. We've had a nice movement to the upside. We could retrace, and then we could potentially continue bullish as well, right? Lots of different options. Yeah, look it up. What's your name? What's your name in Discord, Matrix? What's your name in Discord? Can you explain you view on a chart? How does it look like every day when you start to trade? What are you looking for before you place a trade, etc.? Jess. So, basically, I just follow V5, right? Now this is my strategy. So you see this highlighted area on the chart right here. This is my trading window. So this is where I'm actively looking for trades each day, right? There is occasions where I will look for trades like I was going to today when I started the stream above this area because of the consolidation, right? The main reason I will look for trades outside of my window is because of consolidation. The move had not happened yet. So if we start breaking above these areas, I was anticipating that because we didn't get the move during kind of early London session, that we could get it here towards the end coming into like pre-New York as well, right? You get that volume coming in. So that's why I was anticipating that move. But usually I'm trading within this window. And what I'm looking for is a V5 breakout, right? So we've got a breakout of the key level. or I'm looking for a signal, which obviously we had the signal over here. There wasn't any signals that got triggered during the first trading window. But I'll be marking up my key levels. I'll be trying to understand current direction, current momentum, right? And that's key, momentum. You want to be trading with the current momentum, the current direction in which the market is heading. Doesn't matter, you know, I don't necessarily come onto the chart and look back over here and I go, oh, price is in an uptrend, right? I'm going to look for a buy. I look at momentum during that current day, during that current session, right? Where are the candles closing? How are the candles closing? Are they closing strong bullish, strong bearish? Where's the structure? Where does the momentum lie? You know, what is their clear direction? And if so, that's when I then start looking for my trade. For example, like the trade we took here on Friday, when I come onto the chart, here's my trading window, right? My trading window open right here. Let me just turn on the music real quick. Music went off. Yeah, I come onto the chart. My trading window opened. V5 gave me this level right here. Okay, you can see this green level. This is my breakout level, right? So I know if I get a closure above this level, that there's a good chance that price can continue to the bullish, because this will be a breakout of the key level. And what happened was we had the first initial breakout. The trade didn't get triggered because we didn't break those highs. So we then closed back below. This now becomes a fake out and then a second chance entry with a breakout to the upside from this key level. That's where I entered the trade, and price pushed 58, 72, and then eventually like 170 pips in profit from that area. So that's what I do every single day. I come onto the chart, I look for my breakout levels, I look for my signals, and then I'll look to take trades in that direction, and look to take advantage of the current direction, momentum, volume, structure. It all comes into play. Oh, you joined XAU Elite. Okay, that was a long time ago. Let me have a look. Let me look you up. But yeah, this was this is somebody right here. 15-minute signal. Someone just took the 15-minute signal here in the Discord. They took this 15-minute signal right here, 15-minute buy signal. Right there. They made some nice profit off that. A little bit of profit there. Just to show you that they happen in real time. These signals happen in real time. People, you can take them. They're not delayed. They're not repainted, reprinted, or whatever everyone always thinks. You can switch it on or off. Yeah, you can. There's a lot of things you can mess with within the menu. You can turn off the signals if you want and only trade the breakouts. You can turn off the trading windows. You can turn on or off trading window signals, so you only get signals during the trading windows, which helps build consistency and discipline. You also have the data table, which you can turn on or off, which will give you a clear straight away bullish, bearish bias from the weekly, daily, 4-hour, and give you your signal status as well, scanning. You get AOI levels, so these are extra levels right here, areas of interest, as well as your intraday breakout level. You get a lot within the menu that you can play with. Do I focus on certain market sessions? Yeah, so it's not necessarily market sessions that I focus on, but my first trading window that I like to trade is during London session. So it's kind of that crossover from that pre-London, so from Asian session into London session. Because if I turn on the sessions indicator right here, you can see that London session starts right here, right? And if I turn on V5 again, you will see that my first trading window actually starts over here. So I'm not trading sessions, right? It does overlap into London session, so right here, but I'm not trading the sessions, right? I'm trading candles. I'm trading certain time periods and candles, right? All right, BTB, no worries, bro. And Matrix, let me just have a look. Let me just have a quick look. Let me search you up real quick and see what's happened. See what's going on here. Let's have a look. What was it? RT Matrix. RT Matrix. All right, bro. I'm gonna send you a link. Are you in the Discord, Matrix? Yeah, you pay, bro. There's been a lot that has been happening with WAP. Like, they've been doing a lot of updates recently, and it's messed with like, I've had to redo my whole like dashboard and stuff. They just recently brought out WAP 4.0 or something, and it completely like messed up all my products, all my like website and things like that. So I'll send you another link. I shall send you a link, brother man. You are good. Yeah, thank you for letting me know that. Like, I'll do it after stream, okay? I'll do it after stream. Bro. Do you look at engulfing candles, dojis, or more? I don't trade engulfing candles or dojis, but I definitely what's the word I'm looking for? I'm definitely conscious of them when I see them on the chart, and understanding the potential that once you see those potential candle patterns, what could potentially happen after that. So I don't necessarily trade engulfing candles or doji candles, but I am very conscious of them when I'm trading, and understand that it could be added confluence to my entries or to my setups. No worries, Matrix. I'll send you a link so you can get free access to everything that we have now. What time frames am I using? I mean, you're on YouTube, Jess. So if you have a look like directly above me right here, you can see all of the time frames that I'm using, and I do use pretty much all of them. So I got the 3-month time frame, the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, 3-day time frame, daily time frame, 12-hour time frame, 8-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute. The only one I don't use is the 1-minute time frame. I'm not sure why that's there. I'm gonna get rid of that. I definitely do not use the 1-minute time frame. So all these time frames I do use to a certain extent. I'm not gonna use them every single day and for every single trade, but I do incorporate each one of these time frames into my strategy and my understanding of the market when I'm looking, for example, from a weekly perspective. I'm looking potentially what could happen for the week, what could happen for the day, what could happen for the month, and then what could happen, obviously, as you're going down the time frames, and what could happen for that session, or what could happen for this session, right? When is the news? Is there news today? No, there's no news today. Not on USD anyway. And it's all there's no high impact news, so you should be good. Whoa, somebody spamming in the chat. How you identify rejection? Yeah, take it easy, buddy. It's not like the chat's moving fast, you know. Like, I'm gonna answer your question, buddy. Buddy, old pal. How you identify rejection? That's a good question, and I would, yeah, you can. Obviously, the obvious answer is wicks, rejection wicks, right? And I would say the higher the time frame that you are getting those rejection wicks from is going to be more beneficial. And I would say candle patterns, right? So, for example, like we was talking about then, a doji candle or an engulfing candle, right? Once you're seeing multiple rejection wicks, like strong wicks to say a key area, and then you're getting like an engulfing pattern, and then you're getting potentially a break of structure. All those things aligned can give you a very nice indication of identifying rejection. It all comes down to a feel, though, right? I feel like it comes down to more of a feel. As you gain experience, you start to get a feel for these things, right? And obviously it's visual, but it also is very, you know, kind of psychological as well, and kind of not spiritual, but you just start to get an understanding with experience. You start to get a feel when these are playing out. Not on my effects book, no. But I do have my journal, which I haven't. I think I need to update it. When was the last time I updated it? I did post some stuff on my effects book recently on my Instagram, I think. What's up, Steven? What was the last trade? I need to add some trades from last week. I've just been so busy, man. When was the last trade? What was that? 1353. That was on the 14th. Fuck. I need to add. I got a lot of shit to add to. That was 255. 3. Minus 286. Minus $286.53. Minus 300. and 77 and 56. 11. I'm just adding these trades to my journal real quick. That was on the 18th. 1/8/2024. That one was the 19th. 11/19/2024. Then we had 27/71/94. What was that? 11/20. Last week was crazy, man. Last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, last week was crazy. 3 back-to-back winning trades. All V5 entries, breakout entries. All V5 breakout entries. 45 pips for the first one. 277194. 15 pips for the second one. 115041. And 15 pips for the third one. 116878. Oh, boys. 15. Oh no, they were hourly actually, wasn't they? That one was hourly. 5 lot. I'll figure that out, but yeah. Current stats. The current stats for the year so far. Just lost 2.2k in gold. Damn, son. All right, so what's up, Tommy? Current stats so far. 71% win rate. Now all these are the V5 algo setups, either the signals or the breakouts or a break and tap. So 110 wins, 25 break even, 43 losses, a 71.9% win rate. So far for this year. Is Algo available for personal phase 1, 2 and funded accounts? It's just something you load onto TradingView V, and then enter manually with any of your funded accounts. Gold moves every day. Yeah, there's been some people in the Discord actually who've been trading, taking trades during Asian session, which is crazy. But they've been They've been hitting some winning trades during Asian session from the signals, from the V5 signals. So, I mean, personally, it's not something I want to do, but there is people doing it for sure. Where was it? It was somebody. I saw somebody taking a couple trades from Asian session. Can't remember who it was, but wait, might have been here. I don't know. Yeah, it's somebody anyway. Somebody was taking trades during Asian session. Yeah, exactly. So you can set alerts on TradingView V that whenever a signal appears, you will get alerted on your phone via a notification or an email or whatever you want to set it to. You can do it. You just go right here, you click add alert, right, and then you go over here in where is it? Here you go, condition, right? You do go here, V5 Algo, and then you do open-ended alert, call it whatever you want. You can just go, boom, 15-minute buy signal. Oh no, you just do 15-minute signal, right? Because it's going to give you buy or sell. And that's it. And then you go for your notifications, and then it says notify in app. Show toast notifications, send email, play sound. You can even send a text. You can even send a text, man. You put your phone number in, you can send a text every time a signal appears. That's a bit much, but you know, you can do it. No, I still use MetaTrader Matrix, but I use Blackball Markets. No worries, V. No worries, bro. If you have any questions, bro, just message me, man. I'm always open for a chat. Feels like more volume in the Asian session these recent weeks. Yeah, for sure. For sure it does, actually. It's actually been like breaking previous daily highs a lot or lows during Asian session. If we have a look, right, this is the daily, we're seeing daily candles in here now, right? This one, so we had previous daily bearish candle, and then straight away during Asian session, price comes down, breaks previous daily low, and sells off. Breaks the highs during Asian session right here, breaks the highs again during Asian session, breaks the highs during Asian, 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 like... The moves have been happening a lot during Asian session, but then they've also been extending as well during London and New York, which is good because often what you potentially see is like right here, price making that move during Asian session, making that move to the downside, breaking the lows, but then obviously grabbing that liquidity and flipping back bullish and then moving in the opposite direction for the rest of the day, which can be conflicting to your analysis and stuff. So no, yeah, it has, like, again, look at all these moves right here, breaking previous daily highs during Asian, breaking previous daily highs during Asian. Like, it has been moving during Asian session, which, you know, I'm not complaining. I like to see gold move wherever, whenever. Can't see your full screen. Yeah, it has to be blocked, Foxtrot, on TikTok. If you want to see the full screen, come over to YouTube, Forex with Cody. But on TikTok, we can't show it because we have been banned previously on TikTok for showing, you know, things that like price points, things like that, which is annoying. It really is. Have I called to Sydney? No, I haven't. I will be soon. For sure, I will be soon. I can't seem to find your personal Telegram. Should I mess you on TikTok? V, if you go to my TikTok profile, click the Linktree link, and then you have all the free Telegram and everything like that there. So you should be able to access it there. or you can message me. It's up to you, man. But I can't send links on TikTok. Again, another weird thing on the TikTok do. You can't send links through TikTok DMs for some reason. What's my triggers? What do you mean? What's my triggers? Like triggers for entry? See you there? All right, man. See you in the YouTube. What's up, Charlie? Yes, my triggers for entry would be clean price action, clear momentum. So here, right, you can see what I talk about. What I mean by that is, a lot of people always ask me, what do you mean by clear momentum, right? This, for me, right here would be clear momentum, right? Bullish candles closing very strong to the upside above key levels. You can see the key levels in here. 1, 2, right? 2 key levels, price closes above with 2 very strong bullish candles. This is clear momentum for me that price is making a move in a certain direction, right? So clear structure, bullish structure, clear momentum, bullish momentum, a break above a key level or multiple key levels, which we get right here, a candle closure above those levels, yeah, and either a breakout or a signal. Very simple stuff. When do I exit? I exit based on either like a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio, or I exit based on where I think price has a good chance of rejecting, right? Like key levels. Or what I will do is if I'm looking to enter a trade, for example, right here, right? I was looking to take buys today above this level, right? Didn't get the entry because of this no bottom wick, but let's say I wanted to take this buy signal. And price is pushing up here, right? And I know it's coming into this key level. And I know there's a good chance that it could reject this key level like it's currently potentially doing, right? It did obviously spike above and close above, and now we're coming back down, but let's say, you know, I enter here and I'm like, oh, this is a very key level, price could reject. You know, this is about a 63, 65 pip move. It's a decent move, right? That's decent profit. So I'm just going to take my full position off the table at this level, or I'm going to close half and let the other half run, or close 75% and let the rest run, for example, right? You messaged me on what? All right. Do I use ICT now, though? Have I tried 1-to-3? Yeah, of course. Of course, man. But no, I don't use. I do not use ICT. I did look at it a long time ago when I first started getting into trading, but it's not for me. SMT? No, not SMT either. Maybe some of the, like, maybe how I trade is similar because you know, it's all price action concepts. So maybe, you know, certain things, certain ways that I trade or levels maybe is similar, but I feel like yeah, I'm not gonna say anything actually. Oh god. I'll just keep myself to myself. I don't even know where I access messages on what. Where would that? Oh, here. I don't have any messages on what. Requests? Oh, okay, I do. Oh, yeah, I just found you. Okay, cool. What do I think about Fibbo tools, Fibonacci? I think they're cool. I don't think trading them specifically as they, you know, like a Fibonacci retracement. For example, like if I was to draw a fib for this move right here and say, okay, I'm going to enter once price comes back down into, you know, the golden zone. I'm not a fan of that, but I think it's a tool that can be used well to measure moves and retracements and give you more of a confluence and potential price targets too. The V5, yeah, it has. No, I don't do any crypto. I don't do any crypto courses or anything like that, man. I got V5. I got the V5 Algo, which can be used on crypto, right? Which gives you some setups, some entries. This is BTC USD right here. Right, which is going to give you, look at all these entries, all these beautiful entries that V5 is going to give you on BTC USD. Lots of opportunities. Once we turn this off, we'll turn this off. You don't want to trade BTC during Asian session. Hell no. But here, some nice moves coming up, some nice buy positions right there. So you can use V5 on crypto, on BTC if you want to. See some nice signals. Oh, look at that! Look at that move. Look at that signal right there. Sheesh. But yeah, you can use V5 on crypto, but I don't like day trader or crypto or anything like that. Beside gold, what is my favorite pair? That's a good question actually. Probably gbpjpy, I would say. Probs gbpjpy. Da, 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 da. Yeah, Mo, we combined all the comments from like Instagram, from the stories. People people were replying to the stories as well, and they weren't replying on the actual video. Like, they weren't commenting on the actual video. They were replying to the story. So we combined all of those, put them into the word, the name generator, and then spun it. Do you still do back testing? Yeah, I do a lot of back testing when I get a chance, Tommy. A lot of back testing. There's a lot of strategies. There's a lot of strategies I have that I'm gonna start sharing with the world. Free. I'm just gonna start posting them on YouTube and things like that. Eventually, like all this shit right here, right? You see all this. All of this is just all different kind of strategies, CPAC, like volume concepts, candle concepts, engulfing concepts. This one right here, US 30. You can't really see it because of the green screen, but US 30 concepts, right? I don't trade US 30, but I have an insane strategy for US 30. I don't trade it because I have to stay up too late to trade it. I'd have to stay up till like 2-3 a.m. and I'm just not staying up for that. But I have some insane strategies that, aside from V5, that I'm just gonna start uploading to my YouTube channel. I was saving all of these for like education, like to have in the academy and in the private Telegram and things like that, but I can't be bothered. I just want to. I need to get rid of it. I need to get rid of it. It's all in here that I just want it gone. Cody's volume concepts. See that? Cody's volume concepts. Cody's volume concepts. Just endless amounts of information right here in this little gold book. More here, here, pages and pages and pages. And this is all like strategies, different concepts based on price action, volume, candle highs, candle lows. Yeah, just so much. 12-hour, monthly, weekly, daily rebreak of lows, highs, 15-minute fake out, high, low, low rebreak, structure points, 15-minute break and tap, 15-minute candles, trading red folder, news, bias, direction, weekly, monthly, there's just so much. Weekly rebreak of lows, highs, spike and rebreak of weekly, daily, 12-hour, 4-hour levels. Wednesday candle high and low. Wednesday candle high and low. Daily bias. Weekly 12-hour, 4-hour spike, 10 pips. 12-hour, 1 hour. PBC and B. Sometimes I write shit in here and I have no idea what I'm talking about. Previous, what's that? PBC. What was that again? Now PBC. Previous body closure. 12-hour, 1 hour, and breakout. Okay. Daily and 4-hour align. 30-minute structure point. Break. But yeah, there's so much stuff in here, man. So much stuff in there. Yo, appreciate the diamonds, man. Let's go. You don't even see us. I see you, old timer. I see you, bro. Answer questions, bro. I've been answering questions for the last 2 hours, bro. I take 2 minutes to look away and do something, and now I'm not answering questions. Come on, man. Give me a break. Give me a goddamn break. Can you please explain V5? Is that yours or standard? Oh, that's mine, bro. That's mine, neighbor. I coded it myself. Your screen is not fully visible. Yeah, I know. I know that. It's on purpose. If you want to see the full screen, come over to YouTube. Forex with Code on YouTube. Is gold going down? Well, this level right here, 2684495. This is a key level. This is a break of structure level from the 12-hour time frame. Now, if we go back onto the 12-hour time frame, we can see that the previous 12-hour candle was a bearish engulfing candle, and it also broke structure, right? And it broke structure because if we look at the candles, we can see that since last week here, Tuesday, Wednesday, we had a low, a higher low, a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That is creating bullish market structure, right? And then what happened today during Asian session, price came down, it broke that structure, bearish engulfing candle. We have now retested it with the current 12-hour candle, and now we have 9 hours left of the daily candle for price to potentially reject, retest this level, reject, flip back bearish, and start driving down and breaking previous 12-hour lows, right? There's a potential for that to happen, very much so. Because again, as you guys know, I'll tell you this over and over again, but if we just take a look at the last couple of weeks and we take a look at the 12-hour candles. Now, 12-hour candles are very important because 2 12-hour candles make up the daily candle. So the first 12-hour candle of the day, generally, in my opinion, this is something that I have, what's the word I'm looking for? I have learned to understand that the first 12-hour candle of the day is going to give you a bias and a direction for the second 12-hour candle of the day, right? Now let me just show you. Last week, the purple highlighted area is the first 12-hour candle of the day. The green highlighted area is the second 12-hour candle of the day, right? So the first 12-hour candle makes up Asian session and a bit of London session, right? But mainly Asian London session. So if you want to get your Asia range, right, the 12-hour time frame is a great way to do that. But for example, the first 12-hour candle here closed bullish. The second 12-hour candle continued bullish. Okay, so straight away, if you're trading late London session or you're trading New York session, you're coming onto the charts, you're looking at the previous 12-hour candle, and you're seeing that it closed bullish. So now you're looking for buys straight away during New York session, right? And you can see that the second 12-hour candle continued bullish for 177, 178 pips, right? Moving on to the next day. First 12-hour candle closes bullish. Second 12-hour candle continues bullish by 92 pips. So you can potentially look at capturing a little bit of a move in there. Moving on to the next day. First 12-hour candle closes bearish. The second one then flips bullish, right? That's fine. It's not 100%, right? It's not gonna be 100% all the time. But again, right here, first 12-hour candle of the day closes bullish. Second one continues bullish slightly. First 12-hour candle of the day closes bullish. Second one continues bullish slightly as well. 130 pips, right? But again, the more you look at it, the more you will see how much this plays out. First 12-hour candle closes bearish. Second 12-hour candle continues bearish over 562 pips, right? First 12-hour candle closes bullish. Second 12-hour candle continues bullish by 480 pips. First 12-hour candle closes bearish. Second 12-hour candle continues bearish by 723 pips, right? So understanding the 12-hour time frame can give you an indication of where price could be heading for kind of pre-New York or mid-London, pre-New York, New York session. So if we're looking at that today, we can see the first 12-hour candle has closed bearish. we're creating a top wick currently for the current 12-hour candle to potentially flip bearish, breaking previous lows and continue bearish, right? That is a potential thing that can happen, right? That's a potential scenario that could play out, right? So we just have to wait and see. But that's the 12-hour, yeah, that's the 12-hour bias. That's what the 12-hour bias direction candle. It's a very good tool to have. Nice little trick to have up your sleeve to instantly get direction and a bias for each trading day, right? So there's definitely a potential for gold to come down, especially back into this area as well, where that hourly candle did not create a bottom wick, right? And we can see the rejection of that break of structure level. We've closed above it, but then we've closed straight back below. So we've got the fake out here, right? So this is the breakout of that level. This is the fake out back inside this level. We've now tapped it. So this is a break and a tap. Potential now for price to come down, break these previous 30-minute lows and start driving a little bit. Hourly candle closes in about 7 minutes. And again, we'll try to close above here, but again, potential fake out back in on the hourly as well. So it's going to be interested to see here what's going to happen. All right, let me have a look. Very interesting. All right, but I'll reply to you. Yeah, I'll reply after stream. I reckon that's about it for me today. Actually, 2 hours, not much happening. I was about, you know, at the start of the stream, I was about to take this buy. Where was it? This buy right here. I wanted to buy above this level, but I wanted price to pull back here first and then continue bullish. But price is obviously now just pushed up without creating a pullback up into the target level. Try to break above it, retest, continue. Now it's closed back below and retested against the downside, right here with a nice break and retest. And now it's coming back, I reckon, down into this level, back down to this level potentially, and beyond. But let's see what happens. No trade for me so far today. I'm probably not going to be. It's 12. It's about to be 12 midnight. I'm probably just going to go get in bed and then come back tomorrow, look for a trade. Not too fussed, man. Last week was a crazy week. We got some people taking some trades in the Discord from the V5 signals. But last week I had a great week. One of the best weeks I've had in a long time, actually. Right here on Friday, 1.168. Thursday, 1.150. And then Wednesday, 2.7. That was the juicer right there, 45 pips. So last week, yeah, I was up. So this week, I'm taking it a little bit easier. Focusing on just solid setups. V5, I'm probably just going to be looking at the V5 breakouts, especially when price is consolidating like this, right? And I say this to members all the time. When price is consolidating like this, look for the breakouts of these consolidations. And that's exactly what would have happened right here. If we go show all, you'll be able to see right here the V5 breakout level right here. See this? These levels right here, if I delete that and I delete that, these levels are provided by V5. So this is your breakout level, okay, right there. This is all explained in the manual anyway, but 15-minute closure above with a buy signal. This is your breakout trade of that consolidation. So V5 understood that price was in a consolidation, and in order for price to move out of this, you need to see a breakout in either direction, right below here or above here. That's why it gave these levels. And there you can see, once you get the breakout, there's the closure above, right? There's your closure above. You get the breakout, you get a buy signal as complement. So you get two of the setups right there in one, and price drives up there just over 100 pips. No, it's not support and resistance. This is it's neither stocks nor crypto. It's commodity. It's gold. Alright guys, I reckon that's me done, man. Nice little 2-hour stream. It's midnight here. I'm gonna go get some sleep because no, it's not support and resistance. I'm telling you, it's not support and resistance. I'm not telling you what it is, but I'm telling you right now. Trust me, I know what support and resistance is. I'm telling you, it is not support and resistance. If only you would listen. Thierry, appreciate the follow. Matteo, Reptile Cargo, I appreciate the follows. Never late, appreciate the follow. Most traders will never look as deep into the market that I have and see the market from the perspective that I see it. And so you will look at this and just think, oh, he's got levels on the chart. That's support and resistance. But I'm telling you, it's not. You sent me a private message? All right. But yeah, thank you guys for all the follows today. 77 new follows. You got to work? All right, Matthew, have a good day, man. Have a good day at work. 3,950 likes. I appreciate you guys, man. The gifts as well. I'll be live tomorrow. I'm going to see if we can catch a trade tomorrow. But yeah, man, appreciate you guys. You guys on YouTube as well, TikTok. Everybody, thanks for the follows, thanks for the love. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I want to go get some sleep. It's 12 a.m., 12 midnight. No trades for me today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Stay safe. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. Take it easy. If I was you guys now, I would wait. New York session is just open. So I would say give it a few minutes here, see the reaction in the market for New York session opening, see what happens, and I would look. Me personally, I would wait. Probably, I don't know, it's just so difficult now. What you really want to see is, because you're stuck in this phase now where price has broke structure and has made this sharp move to the downside. So you want to see whether this is a pullback to continue bearish from this overall move right here, or whether you kind of got this consolidation, you broke up, you're going to retest down in here, pull back, and then continue bullish further up, right? So it's in that difficult stage right now where you just need to try and figure out whether we're going to continue bearish overall from this move, or whether we're going to pull back here and continue bullish from this move, right? To continue this deeper pullback from this move. We need to wait and see. So, yeah, that's me done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you. Much love. Peace out. Peace out.